Good morning. It's gonna be a bit of a funny video this time. We're getting closer to the end and I have a whole list of unfinished jobs. And I'm just gonna tackle all these small jobs. Ken has been busy in the back. He made compartments. My job is to stain and varnish it. I'm gonna start the day off with making something to keep that cooler in. That's the first job. I've been thinking about a belt for this. To just keep it in place, strap it in, done. And I have from old backpacks, I have these things. Variation of them. So I think I can make something. I have an old belt with a lousy buckle here that don't work, but maybe I can use the strap. That was my thinking. And then I realized I still have one complete. It'll be strong enough. So I'm going to try to put that in. Then I don't have to stitch. It'll be an easy job, I hope. Good. And tight. Thing is, they want everything secured, closed in, so it can't move when you're driving. And that makes sense. So we better make sure it meets all the requirements. So I also have to connect this. That makes that nothing can come sliding out of here. I have to sand it, put a little bracket on, and then that will be perfect too. I did finish my boxes, but one is not going deep enough. So I have to figure out why. What is it touching? It is touching a bracket on the floor there. What if I can move that bracket? Will it go deep enough? No. There's a little support there. That's too big. I will have to strip that smaller. And then it'll go all the way. Oh boy. No way I get it out. I can't solve this problem. I'm going to put it back and I'll have to live with one drawer that's a bit more to the front. Can't always work out. That's not nice. Is there another way? I have to break it, ruin it, make a complete new one. I just can't do it. Too bad. Put it back in. I have to tidy up, sand it all, make it dust free, and start staining. We're getting there. So exciting. still gonna need 2 doors. I have to figure out how to do that. This one can be closed, only accessible when there's a problem, and this one will be nice if that could open. Don't have the wood for it, so that has to wait.
I've been high, I've been low, I've been chasing all the things I never had before.
That looked a lot better. Time to do the boxes. They will look a lot better as well afterwards. Hope I can finish that today, and then I can go and varnish another day.
I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get.
That one fairly quick. Nice. Time to do some white. And we damaged some paint here and there and sanded some rounded edges where we forgot, and I have to paint those. But the biggest job is when I did the doors, I put the panels on, and of course when you cut them they have an edge and it's ugly. I have to do it. Hey, we're nearly there. So yeah, without further ado, get busy.
A sparkle in a diamond and the southern sunset.
Nearly done. And you know what? It's not a big difference, but it's a small difference. And if I don't do it, I know it's there, and I'll see it every time. We forgot to round these off. So we did, but then you have to, of course, paint them. Anything else? By the way, I did pick up the cushions. And you know what? We test laid them on this, and then we touched the ceiling. The benches were too high. Simple. No other solution. So what did we do? We got mad, ripped them out, got them 10 centimeters shorter, and then put them back in. So now I have all these little bits to patch up where the old braces were. I didn't film it. It was a horrible job, but we did it. We just knew it'd be better in the long run. So if it looks a little different, that's correct. This is one of those places where you just stuff things. So I'm going to make a spanner and a hook and a way that it can stay in there. Don't want it come flying through the bus when you're on a dirt road or something. Oh boy, I can't wait to hit the road to test things out. Because we won't go far this summer. But we sure feel like testing everything. Okay. The other way, stupid. And then here to there or to there. That'll work. Well, that's most of the things on my list done. Not a bad day at all. Tomorrow the varnishing, or another day, but getting close.
I didn't know